Hello, this is Hawk. Welcome again to the video tutorial series of desktop application development with MFC. Today I will discuss about how to create a project in MFC. Okay. After opening the Visual Studio 2017, this type of dialog box will appear, and now we go to the file. Here it is new. Now click the project button. As we previously mentioned, we develop MFC application. That's why we select the MFC and need to give a name of our project. Suppose we give as a desktop application, we give it name as a desktop, and actually in the class name there is automatically app name is created. That's why we keep it as only desktop. And now we need to select the location as our wish. We can browse the location from that, and I select that it will locate in D volume. That's why I select D and select folder. Here it is D. Now we press the OK button. Okay. And now you see that MFC application type is coming. Here it is application type. There are many types of application. So if you need document type of application, like you can code in it or you can save it, that type of application like Microsoft Word or something, then you can choose document type. Otherwise you can choose dialog based. We give an example. Single document like Notepad is a single document application. Why I say that? Because like I open Notepad and you see that there is a file document is open. If I create another document new, then you see that only one document, no new document is created, right? That's why it is single document application. And what is multiple document application? Like Visual Studio 2017, you can create multiple file in that application. That's why it is multiple documents application. Now come to the point, what is dialog based application? Like calculator. In calculator there are a lot of buttons and there are tab type, and that's why it is a dialog based application. As a beginner we will start with the dialog based application. Okay, I select the dialog based application and then press the next button, and again press the next button, and here it is mainframe style. How you want to style the application? Like there is a minimize box, or there is a another box. I cannot remember the name of this icon, sorry, and there is a cross icon, right? So what type of icon it shows in the frame, this can you select from that. I take it as default, so I cannot choose any other thing, and press the next button. Again press the next button, and as I mentioned previously that in the class name automatically a app is created. That's why I did not give any desktop app name. I named that desktop and it automatically named the class name as a C desktop app. Okay. Now finish the project, and our project is created, right? It takes some time. In my previous video I say that my laptop is not quite fast enough, that's why it takes some time. Okay. Here our project is open. If we go to debug and start without debugging, then it will build the project and show something to us. Let's see what it shows. Yeah, and we see that there is a dialog box is appear. In the very next video, we will discuss how we can modify this dialog, and in the next video we will discuss what is that means that tab means. It is like resource view properties toolbox, and after that we will start to modify the dialog and make a fully workable application for desktop. Okay, so please stay with us, hit the subscribe button, and if you did not see the previous video of ours, then go to the link which I given in the description box and see the previous video. Hopefully it will help. Thank you. Bye bye.